Today we're going to do another unboxing because I did see on the tracking record on the computer that we're going to be getting a nice surprise today. Well, of course, if you saw the title, you kind of know what it is. But we're here waiting for it. That might be it. Well, come on. There it is. We got a package. We got a package. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Pull this out a bit so we can see what's going on here. So, again, this is a bundle package that I got. I got it through Amazon, but it's actually beach camera. So, not sure where they're out of, but we ordered it through Amazon. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Actually, just take a look at the box here. Yeah, it seems like it's packaged really good. Taped down pretty tight. Okay. Okay, taped down really good. Alright. Okay, we got a list of what's in here. We got, cover my name up here. Yep, it's from beachcamera.com. Oh, it's in Edison, New Jersey. So, let's see, what came in here is a Tascam digital audio recorder, 4 rechargeable AA batteries with the charger, 1 flexible mini tabletop tripod, oh cool, a 32 gigabyte micro SD high-speed memory card, and clip-style omnidirectional stereo microphone. Alrighty. Oh, they have these little popper things on here. Haha. We got. Alright, here is the. Let's see, what is it? XIT, exit. Never heard of those guys. But exit photo, got 4 AAA batteries, 2,950 milliamps. Woohoo! Okay, put that inside. We got, oh, there's the microphone, the lavalier mic, which is omnidirectional. Yeah, I guess that's okay. I like unidirectional myself. We got, oh, here's the 32 gigabyte, oh, it's a micro SD with a adapter. Cool. Ah, this is little mini, isn't it cute? Look at that thing. Little mini tripod. Let's see what this thing looks like. Ah, it's a cute little thing. Not sure what it could be used for. Ah, it makes funny sounds. Alright, so we got a little mini tripod there. And, oh, what do we have here? Beach camera. Looks like $15 off. Little coupon thing for beachcamera.com. Cool. And this is just, okay, opinion, oh, customer service card, that's good. So now let's see what we got here. The Tascam DR40. Get a little more comfortable here. Oh, I guess before I do that, it does have a little bit of what it does, dual recording. This is kind of cool. Dual recording is when it actually records a copy of what you're doing, but it records it 12 dB lower, so that, say you're videotaping a speech or something, and somebody drops a book, or something really loud goes on, say, I don't know, there's a big truck that drives by, and it drowns out the sound. Well, you could actually recover some of that sound from it being 12 dB under, because the main recording may have gotten peaked out, so you can't hear it. Well, you can still kind of hear it on the negative 12 dB. So that's why I kind of got that. So I'll probably be using that out in the field. So we also have overdubbing with a stereo file. Okay. And of course it has built-in microphones, on top, and it has attachments on the back for the external microphones. On the side of the box, it does say, again, DR40, but this is the version 2, which is the most up-to-date version. And it tells you about its enhanced performances and kind of what it does. Kind of cool. And of course on the front, you do have the, of course, the advertisements information. And then on the other side, you have the, security number, the serial number, and all kinds of neat stuff. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, it comes with 3 alkaline batteries. I'll probably use that on like my remote control or something, because I have the 2950 milliamp rechargeable batteries I'll probably use in there. But it looks like it only takes 3, so that's cool. Let's see. Ooh, it actually comes with a real, actual 100% manual, which is kind of neat. You don't have to go online to get it. You can actually read a manual. Oh, and it has a little tilt foot in there. Now the tilt foot, let me try to bring that out for you. The tilt foot actually goes on the back of the recorder. It has a little screw-in thing there, a little pop-in rather, so that it kind of holds the recorder slightly up, so it's not laying straight on the ground. So it kind of helps out with, when you're doing interviews or something like that on the tabletop. It helps keep the internal microphones up. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, the paperwork here, the safety things, don't try to stick, your tongue in it or something, I don't know. Some more of that kind of stuff, addendums. And then it has, of course, a really good manual, it looks like, in English, French, Spanish, Dutch, Italian, and Oriental of some sort. I can't read what it is, sorry. But not too bad. And it looks like it goes for about 20 some pages, 23 pages of actual instruction, and then 23 for the next one, 23 for the next one, and so on. So different languages, but about 23 pages worth of manual for you. So let's get that out of there. Ooh, there you go. So that's packaged really, really nicely. Looks good. You have your USB cable, mini to maxi. So I guess if you don't want to take the card out and put it in the computer, I'm assuming this has to do with maybe transferring info into the computer, or if you have something in the computer, maybe you can record it onto the Tascam. Not sure yet. Got to figure that out. But here's the Tascam itself, the DR40. There we go. Kind of lightweight. Looks like all the lettering. Sorry, there's a cat eating the box over there, so if you see the box move, that's what it is. It's one of the cats. But anyhow, one thing I do see that I don't like already is everything's printed on there like in white. It's not like beveled or anything. So I have a feeling you start pushing these buttons a lot, that white print is going to come off. So, oh well. But you do have the microphones. You can actually put them in two different scenarios. You know, if you have a really wide audience, a really wide area, let's say a concert, you can actually open it up like this, and it'll get a lot more area. Or if you're doing up close, kind of bringing it into, I think this is called an AB scenario, where kind of both microphones pick up the same. And I think this is considered a XY configuration, if I remember reading it correctly. So it's been a while since I've been to college for this, so I forget exactly what everything's called. But it is actually very, very light. It's plastic, but from what I read, it's actually quite durable, and it has these little mic guards on it, which is fantastic. Underneath, they have, I think they call them modified XLR bottoms there. So you can put either like a 3/4 inch plug in it or a regular XLR, which is kind of nice. So you can do both of those. On the side, you do have a bunch of buttons here. You can have, of course, a line in. You can have, oh, there's a line out here too, which is also a microphone, so that's kind of cool. I mean, earphones. So earphones or line out, so you can put that into, I don't know yet. I got to figure that out. But obviously you can use that for headphones. Whoops, there we go. We also have, let's see, your external ins, which is you can have a line in, you can have microphone in, and you can have microphone with phantom power. So, whoops, can you see it there? There we go. So if you have a microphone that needs phantom power, this creature would do it. Now there's also a hold button here, which you know, if you're in an area, say you have to sit this down at a podium or something and have a taping, you can actually, from what I understand, I have to read the directions again, but hit record, put that on hold, and that way, if anybody starts touching buttons, you know, little kids or something, they're not going to stop the recording or do anything wrong. However, you also have to remember, make sure that hold button is off, otherwise you can't turn it on. So if you get one of these and you're pushing the on button and it doesn't come on, check the hold button. You may have accidentally had that on there from before. You have your input levels, which is your volume controls for input. Now in the front you have, let's see, for your stereo systems you have, let's see, lines 1 and 2, also 3 and 4, and I think you can do solo on those. I have to read the instructions on that as well. But of course you have your record buttons, you have of course enter buttons, different menu buttons down here, menu choices, fast forward, reverse, plus, minus, so I'm not really sure what those are yet. On the other side you do have your USB input, output. Then you have a place for the SD card, and if I remember reading correctly, well, that's kind of hard to get open. But if I do remember reading correctly, that has the 2 GB SD card that came with it. So let me go ahead and see if I can pop that open. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yep, it has an SD card in there already. And, okay. So so I have to trust that's the 2 gig one. It just has I can just see the adapter from there. I'm not going to take everything out. Alright, and that is like a rubbery thing, so I was kind of wondering why it was so hard to get open. Of course, maybe that's a good thing, so things will pop out when you're in the field. And you have a whole bunch of little mini buttons on the side, which I have to kind of see what that is. Oh no, they're not buttons, they're lights, okay, to kind of tell you what's going on. So let me go ahead and I'm going to put some batteries in here, and then we're going to test it out a little bit and see how it sounds with the internal mics, well, with the attached mics, and then go from there. Now, what I have used previously is this little Olympus audio recorder. It kind of did okay. You know, this is what I did for narration in some of my past videos, which is why the audio wasn't all that great. But then I went out and it's like, I need some better way to talk into this, because the microphone pickup on this is really good for just, again, dictation. So I got an Olympus ME52W unidirectional microphone. I paid big bucks for this, I think like $5 or something, on sale. So it's not the best microphone, but it got by. So I stuck this on this, and things got a little bit better. But then I realized as I started doing more and more of this, I need something a little better with audio. And for those of you who are seeing this on YouTube, I actually did an Eagle Scout ceremony where I was in an area that for video it was fantastic, but for audio, not so much. But if I have this field recorder, I could have put this up by the podium and we would have had a whole bunch better audio. So I'm going to go ahead and do a test on this, and I might put that in this video, or depending on the test that I do, I may put it in like a part 2 video right after this. So stay tuned and see what we got. Now, if this is the last we're going to see of this video, of the unboxing, I do thank you very much for coming along with me to unbox this, and hopefully this will do a whole lot better for you.